In today's video, I will share a free and super cool method of editing and retouching your AI images. So, without further delay, let's get started. Clipdrop is an AI tool that assists you in generating images, enlarging your photos to any format, removing objects, relighting your images with impressive backgrounds, and much more. You can access all the tools here by scrolling down to the bottom. It offers you 100 credits daily. Some of them come with watermarks, but most of them are free. Its free plan is sufficient for smaller tasks. The best part is, you can also use it on mobile devices. Now let's test its uncrop tool. Upload your image. Here I have uploaded it in portrait mode. You can choose between the landscape or square option to expand it. Let's go with landscape and click on the next button. Just wait for a few seconds. And here we have the final output. Here you have different variations. So, this tool works similar to the Leonardo AI canvas option. With this cleanup tool, you can hide any unwanted object or element. Simply drop your image here. You can increase or decrease the brush size. Zoom in or out of the image by dragging this slider. Let's select the brush and choose the object or area that you want to hide. Once the objects are selected, click on this clean button. Within a minute, you will get rid of the objects. Here you can see that it has done a decent job. If you still see a bit of shadow or an object that is not completely removed, just repaint the area and click on the clean button. It will effectively remove the mess. You can unhide the removed objects or elements by clicking on this small eye icon. Once you're satisfied, click the download button and save it to your computer. The Relight feature of this tool is amazing. Just drop your image, and here you have some cool-looking background lights. By clicking this option, you can change the background ambiance of your art. Also, you can change the color. Click on this light option. Change the color. And here you can play around with it by adjusting the intensity and distance. Similarly, you can add more colors as well. Overall, Clipdrop is a powerful and versatile AI photo editing tool, suitable for a variety of purposes. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. You can watch my previous video on the new AI art tool that incorporates the text within the image. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting stuff.